Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless earbuds with a product that's making waves, the OFNEX Wireless Earbuds Bluetooth 5.3 headphones. Now, before we delve into the details, let me tell you why these earbuds stand out from the rest. These bad boys aren't just your average earbuds. They're the best sport earbuds available in the market right now. With a perfect blend of innovation, style, and functionality, they're changing the game when it comes to wireless audio. First up, let's talk about playtime. Ever had your music cut out in the middle of a workout? Not with these earbuds. With up to 90 hours of total playtime, including 9 hours on a single charge. And a charging case that can recharge wirelessly, you'll never miss a beat. And speaking of workouts, these earbuds are built to withstand even the most intense sweat sessions. With an IPX7 waterproof rating and ergonomic design featuring flexible, secure-fit ear hooks, they stay put no matter how vigorous your exercise routine gets. But it's not just about durability, it's about sound quality too. These earbuds deliver crystal-clear audio with deep bass thanks to their 14.2mm dual-chamber speaker driver unit. Plus, with 2 built-in microphones, your phone calls will be as clear as day, making them perfect for web meetings and online classes. And let's not forget about connectivity. With advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology, these earbuds offer faster transfer speeds and a more stable connection, ensuring seamless audio and video sync. Plus, with independent volume controls and one-key reset functionality, you have full control at your fingertips. So there you have it, folks. The OFNEX Wireless Earbuds Bluetooth 5.3 headphones, the best sport earbuds on the market. If you're ready to elevate your audio experience, be sure to check them out. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews. Until next time, happy listening.